So a few days have gone by now. We've got the primer on and we've got the alloy wheel silver painted. It's a cellulose paint, but now that should take an acrylic weathering really well. So we're going to get the winch built up, the bumper back on, and do some weathering. So we've just got the winch back together. The hook I've placed through the smaller gap rather than the larger gap shown by the WPL sheet, if you like, that comes with the winch instructions. The front bumper I've removed. It's just the outer screws, if you remember. I'm sure you all do, from the kit. And the way I've mounted it is literally the square sections here where the holes are. It'll just fit on the chassis mounts, if you like. That's for the bumper. Just got to bend it out a little touch. Be careful with that, not to snap anything. It's a little awkward, especially when I've painted. I don't want to damage any paint. Almost there, a little fiddlet. You can just see it just binds up a little bit on the bumper screw. There we go. And that pretty much it. So as you can see, it sits quite well. So I'm just starting with the paint here, the first chipping layer on, and we're just going to build up from there. Very subtle, but that's the chocolate brown added. Difficult to tell in this light. Maybe on the camera. Well, that is it. That's the staining, rusting and streaking finished. And I just got to remove it now and give it a matte lacquer. It should bring out the colours, but not too much.